Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set out of office on Outlook. So are you going on a vacation or stepping away from your inbox? Now, don't leave your contacts wondering why you're not responding. That's up. So in this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up an automatic out of office reply in Outlook. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Outlook web app at outlook.live.com and sign into your Microsoft account. Once you're in your inbox, the next thing I'd like you to do is to click on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner of the page, to open the settings. And that's going to walk you here. In here, the next thing you're going to do is from this left navigation panel where you have account, files, general, mail, calendar, people, select account. And once you select account, you have further options, automatic replies, signatures, categories, mobile devices, storage, and of course, email account. So click on automatic replies. This is where we're headed. Now toggle the switch, turn on automatic replies, and you will now see a text box. In this text box, you can type your message. This is the message Outlook will send on your behalf while you're away. Now your message can look like this: thank you for your email. I'm currently out of the office and will return on. You can put your return date. I will get back to you as soon as possible after that. So check the box that says send replies only during this period, during the time period, and then you set your start and your end dates and times. This ensures your out of office reply turns on and off automatically. And once you're done, you can also choose whether replies go to internal contact only or also external contact. If it's just for internal contacts, click on send replies only to contact, but for external contact, just leave that box empty. And once done, don't forget to hit save at the bottom corner of the settings panel, and that's it. Your automatic reply is now live. Here's a pro tip: to turn it off manually before the end date, just return to the same settings panel and toggle off the automatic replies. And that's how to set an out of office auto reply in Outlook. It's simple, effective, and professional. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you begin to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped. You search.